Hello, children of God. How are you guys doing? I hope you enjoyed today. I hope you go to church. If you did not go to church, it's all well. I know next week you will definitely do that. So you can see I'm in my working place. I've not even wear my uniform, but I have to. I still have time to stay with you guys. I just closed from church, so it's not my hour time to start working. So this thing just come to my mind. I say, okay, let me bring it out for my people. Today I'm going to be teaching about correction and judgment, because in church today people have misused the words correction. They have changed correction to judgment. When you try to correct your fellow brother and your sister, the next thing that will come out from their mouth is like, don't judge me. Why will you be judging me? Why will you be doing this? Are you God? If that is what brings problem to church today, you can't correct anybody. Immediately somebody is doing something wrong and you try to call that person in order. My sister, my brother, what you are doing is wrong. The next thing they are going to say is that if God says don't judge anybody, God says don't judge, but then don't know that you are trying to correct them. If you are here today, a church member like you, or your minister, or your pastor, or any friend of yours is trying to correct you from your wrongdoing, my people, it's not judgment, it's correction. Try. Let's listen to good words. Don't let's mix the two words together. Can you imagine a sister put on a very mini skirt to church and you call him in order that, sister, what you are wearing is not good? The next thing he will do, first he will stop coming to church. Second, he will start telling people that those church they judge too much. Go and look at the meaning of correction. Correction is for you to do something right. Why judgment? Is when somebody is trying to condemn you in the sight of God and the sight of me. But when somebody comes to you and you know by yourself that yes, what you are doing is wrong. Every man knows that what is doing is wrong and what is doing is right. We have the spirits. The Holy Spirit is in everybody. Be you a Christian, be you a pagan, be you anything, we all have the true spirit in us that make us acknowledge good and bad. Nobody is here that will be doing bad that will not know, yes, I'm doing bad. Nobody will put on dress that is not supposed to put on that will not know that, yes, what I wear is bad. My pastor was preaching one day. It was winter time. Everybody was putting on a black shade on their eyes, and my pastor was like, please, I can't be preaching, I'm not seeing. It was like, funny thing, I can't be preaching, I'm not seeing your eyes. Do you know the other Sunday, but the people that does not use glass, before all of them use it? Just why do you think they do that? They do it just that they want to know that, yeah, pastor, what you are saying is none of our damn business. We love it and we want to wear it. These days, people don't longer feel for each other. Everybody is just minding their business. Because immediately someone tries to correct his own brother, become a problem. Why are you judging me? You they judge me. Now you want to enter the heaven first? No, not be me want to enter the heaven first, and not be you want to enter the heaven first. Okay? Many people have come before we came here. So, let's do things right. Let's do things right so that people will not be correcting us, so that we will not be misunderstanding each other. Correction is not judgment. Correction is not judgment. Well, I will be giving this full message in my Facebook this evening. Listen and be blessed. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let it grow so that I'll be giving my full message here, because I can't keep these things in my mind. I can't keep it to myself. I have to bring it out for people to know. God bless you. Bye bye. See you again other time. God bless you.